Hey everyone, hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any paid subscription or watermark. So let's jump right into it. First, open meta.ai. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now, click on sign up button in the bottom left corner. You can either continue with your Facebook account, Insta account, your mobile number or email address. So let's choose mobile number or email address for this video. Here, enter your email address and click continue. Enter your date of birth. Choose a strong password and click next. Add your name here if you want, otherwise it's optional, and then click confirm. For account confirmation, a code will be shared, so go to your email inbox, open the email you received, copy the code and paste it into meta.ai, then click next. Finally, our account is set up and you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on create from the left sidebar, and here you can add your video prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply go to ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once the prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into meta.ai. One very important thing, meta.ai doesn't give you an option to select an aspect ratio, so make sure to enter the aspect ratio in your prompt if you need longer YouTube content videos. So simply type aspect ratio 16:9, and at the end hit the submit button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. So don't be panic, and let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go, our free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided, with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.